Hello everybody. Welcome to Nokia headquarters here in Espoo, in Nokia Garage. This is a very special place for students and employees and startups to innovate and incubate. Here they can try out different business models, working with Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, 3D printing, lean service design, and much more. And today, here at Espoo, I'm very pleased for a 5G in Action live update. Have with me today two guests, Jane Rijkaard and Ari Leppä. Hello, welcome. Jane leads our dedicated wireless networks, and Ari is heading our LTE portfolio. So what's with, this is like 4G meeting 5G, isn't it?
Absolutely.
It is.
And I think the fun part, Päivi, is that we need both here in the beginning. So we have, of course, from a dedicated wireless perspective, I talk a lot about what use cases we can get with 5G. But the point is that here in the early days, all of it is non-standalone, and I can't do anything without Ari. So we need performance, we need networks, and I don't know if you want to talk a little bit about our LTE networks.
Yeah, indeed. So in order to introduce 5G NSA, we need 4G networks. So 4G networks provide all the mobility for the 5G services, and that of course means that the ground foundation of the 4G needs to be really strong. Everything is based on the quality of the underlying network, and for that we basically need two things. We need the installed base, and Nokia has 345 operators worldwide using our technology for 4G, and those operators have in order of 3.8 million radio heads that can be upgraded to 5G. And then the second point is that the performance needs to be there. So all those networks that will be now upgraded to 5G need to perform, and based on the third-party studies, now we also have data points and proof points that the areas that are served with Nokia 4G networks are better than other areas. So that's the foundation we offer and provide for the initial 5G introduction.
And just remind me, the initial 5G introduction, where do we have the biggest networks at the moment?
Biggest networks we have in US, and particularly the US performance is absolutely fantastic.
Okay. And we also see a lot of 5G in Korea. So
Yes, we do.
but I guess it's the same, it doesn't matter where in the world, we need to talk this close relationship between 4G and 5G.
Absolutely, and our 4G solutions are of course global solutions, so our same software is available in every part of the world.
Yeah, and then I can only say as we now, then eventually we'll be moving to standalone solutions, right? That's where I'll come back and saying then we suddenly can do a lot more. Not to say that we don't need 4G, because I think we need it for many things, but when you come out of this enhanced mobile broadband scenario and say what can we do about low latencies, what can we do about ultra reliability, well then we need some of the 5G capabilities that we see with standalone and the later releases. And of course that's where for me it gets also super interesting about what is the extra things we can do. I not long ago was, I've been visiting both Hannover Messe and talking about, we saw robotics before with
Yes.
Päivi, but what is cloud robotics, what can we do about production lines? We have a very, very interesting in-house place. If you go and visit northern Finland, take a trip to Oulu. Our 5G base stations are produced in a factory that is actually also running 5G, and we're trying to say, how can you make digital twins, what can we do about quality control, how can you use the technology in a different way? And for me it's really, really interesting as we move forward. What can we start with 4G today, but where do we need to, what can we do even more as we go forward on the 5G side and the technology side? So definitely a lot to look for, and I think that I could say for the next couple of years, very close relationship here.
Yes,
but Päivi, we definitely see more of also the pure 5G use cases coming on.
Excellent. Thank you, Jane, and thank you, Ari. I think to summarize then that the best 4G networks are the basis of high-quality 5G networks. And if you'd like to hear more or study more of the topic, what was just discussed, please go on to nokia.com/blog. We published a very exciting blog this week telling why Nokia's networks are the best quality networks, and you have all the data points there. Please also then go to nokia.com/5G. You can check our wide 5G portfolio, which is based on the Future X architecture. And of course, please follow us in social media on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and WeChat. Thank you so much for joining today. Let's continue the discussions in 5G. Thank you.